So I hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you a very common problem of Windows 10 and Windows 11 where you are having issues with your mouse wheel. So in this video I will tell you how you can fix the scrolling problem in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So here in this video I am using Windows 11. So in Windows 10 you have the same process to solve this error. So to solve it, first of all you need to go to search, and here you can type control. So here you will find control panel, you can open it. So here is the control panel, and here under view by you will find category. You can change it to large icon, and here you need to go to mouse, and here you can change all the properties of your mouse. So here if you see this towards a little bit slow side, then you can move it to fast. So that will improve your mouse pointing speed. So if your pointing speed is slow as well, you can make it fast by moving it to the fast. So then under wheels you will find the properties for your mouse wheel. So if it is not working properly, you can try to change these values. Like for example, I will recommend you to make it 4, and for the horizontal scrolling make it 5. And now if you want to save the changes, you can click on apply and click on OK. So that will solve your mouse wheel problem and the scrolling problem that you are facing. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.